Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're talking about the Subaru startup Rattle, especially with the FB engines that's found in all Subaru's models, with the 2.5 liter. When you open up the hood and the oil filter is like this, it's not under the car this way where the oil stays inside the filter. There's a lot of reasons why you may develop that, or if you had it from the get-go. Subaru says it's not really that, detrimental to the engine, but you know what? That little bit of noise over time, it could wear things out, and sometimes it even gets really bad. So here's a little trick that you can do, and the reason why it does that, when you shut the car off, let's say it's overnight and you start it, and you hear that rattle and it goes away in a couple of seconds, or it gets even worse and you go to the store, come out 15 minutes later and you hear that little rattle. That's because the oil is draining from the filter back into the engine, and when you start it up, the oil pump has to pump it up really fast, and before it gets there, you'll hear that little bit of noise. Now, the oil pump tolerances could be a little bit off, or the filter itself can be going. Even if you replace the filter and it still does the same thing, what we're going to do is we're going to use a different type of filter. Okay, now this filter, it's in the industry. It's like a little unknown secret in the industry that this filter is Kia, right? But if you look in here, you see that it has an anti-drain back valve, and it also has an anti-siphon valve. And basically, the siphon valve, the clean part of the filter, it doesn't allow the oil to go back into the engine. And the drain back valve doesn't allow the dirty part of the filter's oil to go back in the engine. So you got two protections. So the oil really stays up inside the filter. So when you start the engine, you won't hear it. I mean, they even have little devices now, basically the same as the filter that you could buy, but they're like $100, $200. And then you place that on the bottom, and then you put your regular filter on top of that mechanism. Try this first. All right, it can't hurt. It's the same pressure, same flow. Everything's basically the same as a Subaru filter. It's just that it has these two important valves in there. Okay, and the part number for this is right there. All right, OFE3R 14302. All right, it's a genuine Kia filter. You put it on your Subaru, you change the oil, and start it up, and it may go away. If it doesn't go away, you can keep the filter on, or you could, put the regular Subaru one back on. But this filter, usually, I added about maybe 15 Subarus, and I would say about 11 of them. I remember, like 3 or 4 of them, it didn't work, and the others it did. All right. Now, the other ones that it didn't work, the cars were really, really old, and they had a lot of mileage on them. So, you want to, this is an easy thing. I think this costs like $6. You can get it on the internet, Amazon, eBay, or whatever, or even the Kia, Kia dealership, and you can try that. All right. This one was for the Sportage, but like I said, everything in design, the flow, everything's the same, except it's got those two valves in there. Very important. All right. It's just a better quality filter. All right, guys. Leave questions below. I answer all my questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.